Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Reeti Kumari and I'm back with another video of the DBMS series. So in the last set of lectures, we got to know more about the levels of abstraction, then the types of architecture and much more things. There was one term which was very evident in all these videos, that was views or virtual table. So in this particular video, we would be knowing more on views or virtual tables in DBMS. So without any further delay, let's get started. So view is a virtual table that is derived from one or more underlying tables. This means that it doesn't physically store data but rather provides a logical representation of data. So from the definition, it is evident that view is something, it's not a table which is already created. It's kind of a virtual table. So if I need some data about like ID, a student ID, student name and student roll number, and I have a database in which there is student ID, student name, student roll number, student subject and much more things. So I can just create a view and I can just get all the data which is necessary to me. So basically views is also called as virtual table. Like the table is not created in the memory, but we get all the details through this virtual table. So in views, what happens now? We see the table according to the user requirements. Now consider I am having a e-commerce website. Consider a shopping website, okay? So let's just feed some data here. So ID is 1, name is Rahul. Phone number is consider XYZ, address is Bangalore, PIN is again I am giving some random values 192 and age is 18. Now here also I am giving some data, here also I am giving some data. Okay, so basically I have this database which is called as customer database. So I am having a customer database. As I am running a e-commerce website, there would be a database in which all the things would be stored. So consider that there is one customer 1. It places an order in my website. Now what it will do is it will generate some ID for that particular customer. It will feed the name, the phone number, the address, the PIN and the age of that particular customer. Now consider that there are many teams in this shopping website. One is the team which is logistic team. One is a team which basically looks on the marketing and different other teams. Okay, so consider there is one person from the marketing team, name Ajay, and there is one person from the logistic team, name Vijay. Okay, just a rhyming word. So basically Ajay is a person who is majorly focused on the marketing of the website and the shopping website, and Vijay is a person who looks on all the logistics like the order delivery, if the order is placed correctly or not, if the order has reached particular person or not. So there are two persons. Now consider that Ajay want to see some details about the customer. Now Ajay is a person who is from marketing. So does it make sense that I send the age of the person, or I send the PIN of the person, or I send him the address of the person? I am creating a table, he's making a query in the table. So does it make sense that all these three fields are something which would be something concerning to him? It won't. There would be another field. Consider, just give me a second. Okay, yeah, actually there's no space. Okay, just forgive my bad handwriting. Consider there is one more column in the table, that is order. So consider that this person orders some top, this person orders some tea, and this person orders skirt. So Ajay, basically from the marketing team now, he would be more concerned about how I can raise the marketing, how I can raise the sales. So what I'll do, if a person is someone who orders tea most of the time, I'll show him most of the ads regarding the tea. I'll filter his search, and like there are much more things which I can do to increase the marketing. But again, am I considered about the age of the person? Am I considered, somehow age is also considered, but am I considered about the pin of the person? Am I considered about the address of the person? Or am I considered about the phone of a person, phone number of a person? No, I am not. So basically I'm from marketing team. I just want ki what type of order this person makes, and age to some extent, because I can see, I can like filter some of the items for a person who is above 18, some of the items for a person who is less than 18. So mostly I'm concerned on that particular factors. So what I'll do, I'll make a query in the table and it will show me 2 columns only. First one would be the, okay, just it's 2 columns only. So first one would be the order and the second one would be the age. So basically order and age is something which I am mostly concerned about. Now consider Vijay is a person who is from the logistic team. Now the logistic only needs to know what is your name and what is your address along with PIN and everything. But if a person is from logistic, is he concerned more about your age? What would he do after knowing your age, right? It doesn't make any sense to him to know your age, right? He's more concerned about like what type of orders you have placed, what is the address of yours, what is the pin code of yours, so that the order could be delivered at time. But he's not he's not very much bothered about your age and much more factors. So views and virtual table, what it does now, it shows me the fields, it shows me the table according to the user requirements. So if one person is from marketing, one person is from logistics, so in the marketing person will see all the fields which is concerned to him, the logistic person will see all the fields which is concerned to him. But it's kind of a virtual table. A new table is not created from the existing table, it creates a virtual table which shows me all those data, but the database remains unaffected. So basically this is view. So view, basically views or virtual tables is something which shows us all the required details according to the user requirements. So this is a small very small concept in DBMS, but people tends to get confused on this views in DBMS. So again, reiterating the same thing, views or virtual table is basically the logical representation of data where we see data according to the user requirements. If a user is from some particular team like marketing team, he would be only more considerate about the data which deals with marketing, like orders, then the age and much more things. And if a person who is from logistic team is more concerned about the address, pin code and much more things. So I'll only show the data to the person of marketing team which is concerned to him. I'll only show the data to the logistic person who the data which is concerned to them. So basically this is all about the views. So I guess this was all about this video. I hope you like this video and you got a better understanding of what is views in DBMS. We will be now approaching towards ER model and relational model, and that is like kind of very important topics. So please don't skip that videos and have a good look through on all those videos. Also, if you're liking this series, please hit the like button. It gives me a lot of motivation. And also, if you're someone who is new to my channel, so first go and check out the content and then I'll request you, if you like it, please subscribe. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing and keep smiling. Bye all.